if you are one of those people who have been looking for means to migrate to Finland, all right, through education, or if you have been looking for means to move to Finland through a job, all right, a permanent job, a temporary job, or whichsoever job type, being it a restaurant job as well, cleaners as well, or maybe farmer's job, construction jobs, or whichsoever jobs, IT jobs in Finland, this video is the one you need, and make sure you watch till the end so that you can understand what I am saying. All right. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for watching today. If this is your first time, please, as usual, subscribe below and make sure you turn on the notification bell, all right, so that when I post a new video like this one, you would be the first to watch. Again, understand that Finland is also looking for internationals to work with them, all right, but there are certain criteria you must follow, or there are certain things you must do if you want to apply for a job in Finland. It involves, again, a lot of patience, a lot of hard work, a lot of perseverance, a lot of research, all right? And what I can say for now is when you are applying for jobs in Finland, make sure you use a laptop. Do not use, let me say, the hard copy or the paper copy or the paper type to apply for jobs, or maybe scan them. No. When you are using a laptop, it is the best mode because your data goes directly to the officials. Because someone was telling me that he had the possibility to apply for a job on paper. I don't say it is not good to use that, but if you have a laptop, make sure you use the laptop, all right? Now, there are a lot of jobs in Finland that you can do in 2022, whether you are in Finland or you are outside of Finland, all right? You can either do farmer's job or farming jobs, cleaner jobs, restaurant jobs, nursing, all right, stuff like that. There are a lot of people who are needed to work in the medicine department, or let me say a lot of nurses are needed in Finland. So if you are someone in Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, or whichsoever country in Africa, Pakistan, India, with such qualifications, if you have nursing knowledge, all right, if you have some skills in IT, this is an advantage for you to utilize and do not waste more time. Now, remember I said a few days ago in one of my videos that there is a possibility that student visas will be increased, all right, to Finland as of 2022. And again, the method of 1 year's visa, or let me say 1 year residence permit before you renew again, is in parliament. That may change, all right. The Finnish authorities are looking for means to put it for 2 years straight away. So now, if you are looking for jobs in Finland in 2022, understand that most of the jobs, people will tell you that no, if you do not have Finnish, you cannot apply for jobs abroad. No, it is absolutely a false accusation, all right, or something which is very false, which is wrong. Let me put it this way. If you are looking for jobs in Finland, make sure that you go to the websites that I'm going to put in the description box and click them. Read the job description and make sure you apply as fast as possible, because Finland is looking for workers. And again, remember, it's who comes and who is to be served. And there are a lot of criteria involved. The first document I want to emphasize here that you should get is your CV. Get your CV done. If it has not been updated, get it updated. And again, make sure your cover letter is on standby. Now, my tip for you is do not apply for jobs in Finland with the same CV. For example, 2 jobs with the same CV or the same cover letter. When you see a job description, update your cover letter and update your CV, all right? It is very, very important. You can check the CV format when applying for jobs in Finland, or check the Europass format when applying for jobs in Europe. So that is what you should understand. Again, understand that most of the jobs are taught in, or let me say most of the jobs you are going to be doing, all right, if you have to undergo, let me say, something like a training, you will be given in English language. But if you find a job, know that most jobs in Finland are in English, all right? So that is what you should know. Again, like I said, this is already winter. Very soon it will be summer, all right? You can easily get a permanent or a temporary job in Finland. Someone was asking me how much is the salary range. It depends on how much you are working or the job type as well. Most jobs in Finland will pay you from 8 euros to around 10, 11, and even 12 or 13. All right, it all depends on the job type and the job you are doing in Finland. Most of the times, nurses earn a lot of money and IT personnel earn a lot of money from jobs in Finland. Not because you and I, we are not qualified, but because most of us, we do not try new things. Now, for example, if you want to apply from Africa, you just need to go to the links like I said before. Then you click the links, then you read what is available there. Know that most of these jobs will be sponsored jobs, all right? They will be sponsored by the company, so do not get it wrong. If they give you the offer letter or for the job, they will obviously sponsor you, all right? Again, one thing you should pay close attention to is that remember, it's very, very important. Remember that when you are moving to Finland as, let me say, if you want to work in Finland or you are looking for ways to move to Finland, make sure you get your driver's license done in your country so that when you move to Finland, you look for means to renew it and change it to the Finnish driver's license. I hope you understand the point. Now, I will be listing some of the websites from my Jota so that you can understand that you can as well get jobs from there. There are a lot of care jobs in Finland, a lot of care jobs in UK, there are a lot of care jobs in Ireland, and so many things are happening. All right, there are a lot of jobs around the world. Which one would pay you more higher than which one? All the videos are on this channel, and I will be elaborating a little more about them and scholarship, about the jobs and scholarships. Now, there are some jobs in Finland that you should understand that when you move to Finland, it is possible for you to change the job, but probably maybe not change your employer, because remember, checking the video description box is going to guide you enough. All right, so like I said, many jobs are in Finland. I will talk about 6 of them here. Some would be nice if you apply when you are already in Finland, but for those of us in Africa or in Europe or in Asia who are still to move to Finland, this is an opportunity for you to also apply. You may be lucky, all right? Because if you do not try some of these things, you can never be lucky, all right? Understand that people who are in Finland now, they were once where you are, all right? Then they took the bold decision to apply, then they got the jobs, all right? I know a lot of Nigerians that are in the UK that apply for jobs in Nigeria. Likewise, there are also people in the Finland that applied for Finnish jobs or for jobs online to work in Finland, and they got it, all right? It doesn't mean that if they are looking for 50 people, you cannot be among the 50. No, this is a game of chance and you have to try your luck, all right? So make sure you apply for jobs as soon as possible. I will put down some links in the description box so that you can click on them and submit an application. Now, like I said, there are jobs that you are going to be doing, which I remember, did I talk about the driver's license? If I didn't, if you are looking for ways to move to Finland and you haven't gotten a driver's license, I will encourage you to get one before you move to Finland. The reason is because if you get your driver's license, it is going to save you a lot of stress while in Finland, all right? So try to get a driver's license. Then when you reach Finland, there is a possibility you can always change the driver's license to the Finnish driver's license. I hope you understand. So if you have the driver's license in Finland, then you can always work with Wolt and Foodora. Wolt is spelled W-O-L-T and Foodora is F-O-O-D-O-R-A. All right, I will link them in the video description box so that you can click on them and see if there is something for you you can apply for. Now, working with Wolf and Foodora, it is possible that the jobs are in English language. All right, do not think that you are not going to find jobs in English language. No, you are going to find their jobs in English language. But the other thing you need to understand is that sometimes these job types will require people who can do delivery, all right? That is to say, people order things and you deliver to them in their homes. That is the reason why I said you need a driver's license to do this type of job, all right? So it is very important. These are the 2 websites you should check if you are in Finland and you are looking for jobs you can do in summer, or permanent jobs or temporary jobs, all right? Again, there is something I want to quote here. If you move to a new country, not just Finland now, this is what you should do. Someone was asking me if there is jobs and can he find a job if he moves to Finland. Any country in Europe, if you go there and you don't find a job, you are very lazy, all right? What you need to do when you move to a new country is Meet the people who are already there, whom you know they are working and who are serious people. Ask them, all right? Talk to people. You can even meet somebody on the street and talk to the person. Tell the person you need a job. In as much as you have a residence permit in Finland, you are going to work at least 25 hours a week. And that is huge sum of money you are going to be making, all right? So if you do not ask people, you can never get it. Ask people so that the people in turn will recommend you to the companies and you will just start working as soon as possible. Someone recommending you is different from you applying for the jobs and going. You may be asked to go through an interview process or an interview, but if someone recommends you, it is sure fact, all right? I hope you understand. Then the next job type you can do, or click on the link that I will indicate by jobs.workinfinland.fi, all right? This is another link where you can apply for jobs in Finland from Africa, from Europe, or from Asia. It is possible that you are going to find a lot of jobs here, farmers jobs, nurses, restaurant jobs, cleaners, and blah, 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 and so many type of job types, all right? Now, put in your perfect CV and make sure you put in your perfect cover letter, all right? There are so many things you need to mention in your cover letter. Let the employer know that you are serious about what you want to do, because if not, you are not going to get it, all right? Remember, you are not the only one applying, so there are a lot of people doing the same thing you are doing. It is just something everybody is fighting to survive or to get in, all right? So make sure you put in your personal best and try to apply for these jobs, all right? The next website you should check is careerjet.fi. On careerjet.fi, you are also going to find a lot of jobs in English language, all right? That requires just English language, not the Finnish language. So try careerjobs.fi and see what is happening. You can also always apply from abroad as well. Jobsportal.fi is another one where you are going to still find a lot of nursing job, all right, farmers job, restaurant jobs, and cleaners, and all of them will be in English language. So apply as soon as possible as you watch this video, and make sure you share this video to somebody, all right? And please like the video before you keep watching, because when you like the video, YouTube is going to tell another person that this is an important video that this guy did. So please share the video so that someone can as well benefit from it, all right? Like the video and share it. The next type of job you apply for, you will find them on Duunitori.fi. Duunitori is D-W-N-I-T-O-R-I, all right, .fi. So on this website, you are going to find certain jobs. You may find jobs that are in Finnish on this website, all right? Then when you apply for them, check the ones, you will find Finnish jobs, you will find English jobs. Check the ones that meet your description. Sometimes you will find jobs on this particular website and they will tell you it is only for people in Finland. No, that is not your own if you are in Africa, if you are still to move to Finland. But if you find a job they say it is for internationals, make sure you drop your application as fast as possible. For those who are asking me if they can find fully funded scholarships in Finland, I have not come across that before. I know of universities that will be sponsoring or will be giving you 50%, 75%, depending on your educational qualifications alone, all right? And so many others. I have talked about Savonia University, the Novia University, and Tampere, the University of Tampere, the University of Javaskala. There are so many of them on this YouTube channel. So please make sure you watch them to know what you are doing, all right? Please make sure, like I said, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so that in our next video, you will be the first person to watch, all right? Until we meet again in the next one. Peace.